Photoshop is very powerful software to edit images. Multiple tools are available to edit images as well as select the areas to edit. Selection in Photoshop is very important during editing. When you want certain areas to affect and certain to not, selection of area or pixels play a major role here. We have many tools in Photoshop just for doing the selection. Depending upon the image and selection you want to perform on image, you can use different tools. Let's start with the Marquee tool. For geometrical shape selections like rectangular, square, circle, and elliptical selections, we have a Marquee tool. Either right-click on Marquee tool or clicking and holding the left mouse button on Marquee tool will show the hidden tools inside. Also, you can use the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac to select the hidden tools inside the current tools. Here we are working on Windows, so throughout this tutorial we will consider the Alt key and Control key on the keyboard. Select the rectangular Marquee tool and just click on the selection to deselect it. Now again click on the image and without leaving the mouse button, drag the mouse to create a rectangular selection. When you are sure about the pixels you want to select, leave the mouse button. Note that the selection will start from the left mouse click and ends only when you leave the mouse button. Pressing the Alt key during the selection process will centralize the selection. It means it will create symmetrical selection around the point from where you have started. You can create a rectangular selection with this tool. If you want to have exact square selection, you need to press a Shift key before leaving the mouse button. Pressing the Alt key and Shift key both will create a square from the center. Same rules also apply to the elliptical Marquee tool. Select the elliptical Marquee tool and draw an ellipse selection on the image. Try pressing the Alt key and you will notice that the center of this ellipse selection is being formed from the point you have started creating it. Now, without leaving your mouse button and Alt key, press Shift key so that exact circle will be formed from the center point. If you notice, the circular tool doesn't start exactly from where you click. This way you need to try more attempts to perfectly select the desired pixels. But don't worry about it. Pressing the space bar will solve this problem for you. After pressing the mouse button, you can change the starting point by pressing and holding the space bar. You can clearly see that your circle has now stopped changing the shape and it is moving with your mouse pointer. Now, if you want the shape as a circle instead of an ellipse, press the Shift key to create a circle. Again, if you want the circle to be created with the center point, you may use the Alt key. Play with the Alt key, Shift key and spacebar until you select the desired area of pixels. Now you can leave your mouse button.